Jab and the layup. Jab, jab, finish layup. You should be able to get there in one dribble. Jab, jab, layup, there you go. 2. Last one. Fin. Ready? Make 3, make 3, make 3. 1. Get some lift on it. We had a long day of practice, so it's about getting some lift on that shot. Get some lift and get some elevation on it. Get up. 1. You're gonna make 3 in a row. Come on, come on, come on. You got it, you got it. Each one of them should be straight up, straight down. Straight up, straight down. 1. 2, last one. Pressure on. Pressure on, pressure on. There we go. All right, end it with 2 free throws. All of that work, you got to end it with 2 free throws. We got to try to get Etho to that line a lot. You got to be able to finish. Last one, last one. All right, come on, Gary. Knock it down. Come on, knock it down, knock it down, knock it down. All right. All right, so Gary is gonna do the 1 dribble drive to the hoop, but he's gonna work on his slamming each time. Stands, triple threat. All right, jab one way, take off, finish. All right, that's 1. You got 3 on both sides. All right, so Gary just worked on his Mikan drill. This is a drill that he's gonna do right here to get loose and get ready for practice. Some of the things that he works on a regular basis, because legs, and he can build up after a while, but either it's gonna be a layup or a strong finish each time. Layup or a strong finish. You good, come on. There you go, last one, last one, last one. There you go. Coach Bryan Turner here. We got some nice footage of these guys working out. Now the reason why I wanted to introduce this, because I'm always in the gym and folks always see me working out. And I like to tell folks that, you know, I'm just a vessel. So a lot of these things that I do, a lot of these things that I demonstrate, that I talk about, you guys can do this at home. Anytime you guys are around a court, a backyard, or even in the gym or in gym class, you can do these drills. So let's make sure, I want to see you guys, when I step inside the gym, I want to make sure you guys are working on the Mikan drill, frontwards and backwards, and working on your jab step and jab layups and jab dunks if you have that in your bag. So appreciate you guys checking this out. Hope you like more videos like this. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. This is Coach Bryan Turner with Bryan Turner Basketball. Now Gary's gonna do the variation of the Mikan drill, but now he's gonna turn it over and make sure he can go strong with the finish, going that way. All right, that's 1. Can you do 3 of them? That's 1. We got 1. Let's go. Let's see what he got. 2. All right, last 1. All right, now this is the last one. Go strong. Let's finish with this one. Let's finish strong with this one. All right, these guys always want to call me out, man, and they think I'm old and they think I ain't got it in me. But watch this. All right, I'm about to get it in. I'm about to take these boys down through there, but I'm not gonna kill their confidence, because these are my guys, and I need their confidence to play the rest of the season. So, YouTube, let these boys know that, hey, they shouldn't call the old man out, but I got something for you and I got something for them. So check this out.